What's up guys? So I just finished work and right now I'm gonna go down to a shop to see if they can repair a cracked wheel. Last week, the same week that I bought my coilovers, I went ahead and picked up some wheels off Craigslist.
Oh my god, what is this weather? Freaking terrible. We prayed to the drift gods, that's why. They say, drift gods, please, we pray for bountiful rain this weekend. Oh my god. Like they've blessed us with rain so we could save money on tires for drift, yeah? Yee! On our way to pick up on our way to pick up some wheels.
And one of them did have a crack in them. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can get that repaired sometime this week. So the wheels that I got, they are right here. Work Emotion XT7s. They're in an 18 by 9.5 plus 38 offset. I know for the IS300, the plus 38 is a too high of offset. It's gonna be hitting the suspension, but I'm probably gonna fix that by running like a 50mm spacer to make it like a plus 23, and also get water finish on the front so I don't rub. These wheels, they're pretty clapped. The previous owner did say that they were drifted on, but these are my dream wheels. One of my dream wheels actually. I've been trying to look for some on like Up Garage and Yahoo Auction Japan, but it's pretty hard to find 18 by 9.5. Usually it's like 18 by 7.5 or 8.5, but since I was able to find these on Craigslist, I went ahead and picked them up. They did come with tires, full set of 4, and yeah, they don't have the work valve stem or the center caps, but it's okay. Yeah, so let me show you the cracked wheel. So here's a wheel that's cracked. It's actually on the back side. So yeah, there it is. The wheel, surprisingly, it does still hold air. Not sure how that's possible, but I'm gonna go ahead and see if this is repairable, take it down to the shop, and yeah, so I'm gonna load this up in my car right now. Got the wheel loaded up in my trunk, so gonna head to the shop now. So this is the shop that I'm bringing my wheel to, Rad Motorsport, down in Waipahu, Hawaii. It's pretty cool cars here. There's a 240 over there.
2 weeks later.
I just got a box from FedEx, and here it is. So as you can see, it's from Up Garage. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox whatever this is. So as you can see, they're Work XT7s. So I got another pair from Croooober to replace the cracked one, and I can also now replace the other one that has a gouge in it. Yeah, they're the same size, 18 by 9.5 plus 38. I think this is the original paint. The other set that I have in my garage, they're not the original paint. It's been like repainted like twice, I believe. But yeah, overall these are in pretty good condition. Okay guys, I just loaded up the white set of wheels, and I'm gonna head to my friend who's gonna help me dismount the tires so I can get the rims refinished. Why can't it work? Like,
My name is Calvin. It could be
who? Oh, TJ Hunt.
yeah, you can be TJ on Calvin.
Who? Are you still gonna rocket bunny your shit? Or was that? What kind of white body is that?
It's fiberglass rocket, but they're like their own version of white. It's not common for the trend.
I'm gonna refinish the wheel. Damn, look at those shoes. myself up. Okay, I just finished up with my friend and I'm headed home now. Got everything loaded in the back. What's up guys? So back home now and I got the wheels stored away. Thank you again to my friend April who helped me dismount all the tires. And yeah, just to recap, I have the set of 4 white work XT7s that I bought off Craigslist. And I bought a pair of bronze ones from Upgarage or Croooober that just came in today. So shout out to them as well. I bought the pair to replace 2 of the damaged ones from the Craigslist wheels. One of them was cracked, but I got it fixed, and the other one has a really big gouge on the edge of the rim. So I wanted to replace those just for like peace of mind and just to have better looking wheels. But yeah, the plans for them are to get them refinished, so repair the curb rash, sandblast, and get them powder coated. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna powder coat them as of right now. I'm kind of leaning towards gunmetal gray, but if you guys have any other suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. So that's gonna be the end of the video today. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys have a happy new year with all of your friends, family, loved ones, whoever you're spending it with, and I'll see you guys in the next video.